In our fast-paced and demanding world, the key to success lies not in endless toil and effort, but in the art of working smarter, not harder. I'm sure you would like to know how to work smart enough in such a way your financial goals becomes a reality. So stay tuned. In this video, you will find out how you can save more time to be more productive in life and how it can also improve your financial well-being. Let's begin. Time management techniques. Let's actually consider one of them, Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It involves breaking work into focused intervals, typically 25 minutes, separated by short breaks. The steps include choosing a task you want to work on and set a timer for 25 minutes, one Pomodoro session. During the 25 minutes, focus solely on the task at hand without any distractions. When the timer goes off, take a short 5-minute break to relax your mind. After completing 4 Pomodoro sessions, take a more extended break of around 15 to 30 minutes. The technique encourages individuals to track the number of completed Pomodoros and the tasks accomplished during each session. This level of accountability fosters self-discipline and time-saving habits. Use productivity apps. Productive apps often come with built-in task management features that allow you to create to-do lists, set deadlines, and prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. By having a clear overview of your tasks, you can focus on what truly matters, avoid wasting time on less critical activities, and ensure you complete tasks on time to prevent unnecessary expenses or missed opportunities. Money-saving apps can assist in tracking expenses, creating budgets, and providing financial insights. By staying on top of your spending habits, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and make more informed financial decisions, leading to cost-saving benefits. Create standard operating procedures, also known as SOPs. SOPs are detailed step-by-step guides that outline how specific tasks or processes should be performed within an organization. Implementing SOPs can be a game changer for your business and personal brand. Here's how. With SOPs in place, tasks become more structured and streamlined, leading to increased productivity. The time saved can be redirected toward more creative pursuits, strategic thinking, and building relationships with your audience, fostering long-term growth and success. SOPs outline the most efficient way to carry out tasks, optimizing the use of resources. Whether it's time, money, or materials, you can avoid wastage and allocate resources where they will have the most significant impact on your business. Prioritize tasks and goals. Prioritizing tasks and goals is the art of focusing on what truly matters and making the most of our time and resources. Begin by defining your goals with clarity and precision. This clarity will guide your decision making and ensure that you are working towards the most meaningful outcomes. The 80-20 rule, also known as Pareto principle, embraces the idea that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Identify the most impactful tasks and focus on them first. Prioritize activities that bring the most significant progress towards your goals. Understand that you don't have to do everything yourself. Dedicate tasks to capable colleagues or team members, freeing up time to concentrate on high priority responsibilities. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking often reduces efficiency. Focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention. Learn continuously. Embrace the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and learning. Embracing a growth mindset allows you to see challenges as opportunities for learning rather than obstacles to overcome. By staying curious and open to new ideas, we equip ourselves with the skills and insights needed to tackle challenges creatively and innovatively. Approach learning with an open mind, free from preconceived notions. Embrace diverse perspectives and be willing to challenge your own beliefs. This attitude fosters creativity and out-of-the-box thinking. For instance, to motivate you to take risks in either building a business and learning about financial education. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also committed to continuous learning. Engaging in discussions and sharing insights can enrich your understanding and inspire you to push your boundaries. Reduce unnecessary subscriptions. Recent studies have highlighted the significant impact of subscription clutter on our lives, and embracing this practice can lead to remarkable benefits. How can you declutter your subscriptions? Begin by conducting a thorough review of all your subscriptions, whether they are streaming services, software tools, or other recurring expenses. Identify those that truly add value to your life and align with your goals. Once you've identified unnecessary subscriptions, unsubscribe with a purposeful mindset. Remind yourself that you are decluttering your life and making room for more meaningful experiences. Embrace the philosophy of quality over quantity when it comes to subscriptions. Opt for a few premium services that genuinely enrich your life rather than hoarding multiple subscriptions that you rarely use. Meal planning and batch cooking. Meal planning involves strategizing your meals for the week, taking into account your schedule and dietary preferences. By dedicating a small portion of time to plan ahead, you eliminate the daily dilemma of deciding what to cook, saving you precious moments throughout the week. With a well-thought-out meal plan, you create a detailed shopping list and avoid impulsive purchases. This not only minimizes food waste, but also helps you stick to a budget, enabling you to allocate your resources to other meaningful endeavors. With meal planning and batch cooking, you'll find yourself with extra time on hand. Utilize this newfound time to engage in hobbies, learning, or spending quality moments with loved ones. Use free resources. Let's consider an example of an aspiring entrepreneur named Alex, who dreams of starting an online business but has limited financial resources. Instead of feeling discouraged, Alex embraces the philosophy of working smarter, not harder, by using free resources to kickstart the venture. Alex discovers free online courses and webinars that cover topics like business planning, marketing strategies, and e-commerce. These resources equip Alex with the essential knowledge needed to build a solid foundation for the business. Through free articles and ebooks, Alex gains insights into the market trends, customer preferences, and industry best practices. Armed with this information, Alex can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Furthermore, Alex explores free software and productivity tools that assist in website creation, social media management, and analytics. These tools streamline operations and save Alex both time and money. For motivation and support, Alex listens to motivational podcasts and joins free online entrepreneurial communities. The inspiring stories and supportive peers keep Alex motivated and provide guidance during challenging times. Utilizing free graphic design and content creation tools, Alex crafts engaging marketing materials and brand visuals, eliminating the need for costly design services. By leveraging free social media platforms, Alex builds an online presence, connects with potential customers, and drives traffic to the business website, all without spending a dime on advertising. Using free resources is a transformative approach that empowers individuals to pursue their passions, gain knowledge, and achieve their aspirations without unnecessary financial strain. One of such free resources is the platform you are on right now, YouTube, where you can listen to motivational podcasts or just watch videos and can give you an idea on how to kickstart your venture. Buy in bulk. By purchasing items in bulk, you reduce the frequency of shopping trips and save valuable time. This newfound time can be utilized for personal growth, pursuing passions, or spending quality moments with loved ones. By making bulk purchases, you learn to be mindful of your expenses and become a more disciplined spender. This financial acumen can positively influence your overall financial well-being. Having essential items in abundance eliminates the need for last-minute runs to the store. You are always prepared, reducing stress and ensuring a smooth daily routine. If you want to know more about how to improve your financial life, you are in the right place. Here in Money and Me, we walk over various finance tips that will improve your spending habits, savings, and also giving you the right mindset you need to better your financial health. So subscribe and hit the notification bell, like and share this video, and continue making use of these tips to save time as well as money. Thank you for watching, dear viewers. See you in the next video.